Guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank and Mek will be the man behind the camera. Today guys, we're actually filming a video on one of Mek's cars for an install that we did. Sorry guys, it went too fast in my head. I'll start over again. Today we're filming a video on Mek's car. We did an install very recently. We did the install yesterday. Mek installed everything, and today we're going to be filming and showing to you guys the results. Mek also took time to film the install, so we'll show you guys a little bit of the install, not too much, because the full install will be on his own channel on Mechanism. So you guys can go ahead and either check the video that's on our channel, which we did on the S80 V8 last year, or go to his channel to see the one on the T6. It's the same process, exact same thing, but it is a thicker sway bar from Elevate, and you guys know that we've done it on the V8 and it does make a huge difference. And now we were curious to also do it on the S80 T6, because like you guys can see, it is on the stock suspension. So to see if it makes that much of a difference on the stock suspension, and you guys will see the answer later. We brought some POV cameras and stuff like that to show you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. The video starts, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. Switch over to Mek, which is going to do the full install. So on the channel here, we're going to do just a quick time lapse to show you guys how to do it. It's super simple, guys, very easy, and you guys will see the difference is night and day. We've done it on the V8 like you guys already know, and we're going to do it on the T6 as well. Makes a huge difference. I really recommend it, guys, that you go ahead and check on Elevate's website to do this sway bar night and day, like I said. So let's switch over to Mek.
Alone with you, does that make sense? Gold on your fingertips against my cheek. Gold leaf across your lips.
Back to the present, guys. So now that the install is done, we're gonna go ahead, strap you guys onto the POV camera. We're gonna take the V8 and the T6, and we're gonna go ahead and hit some twisties, regular driving. We're gonna get some highway entrances, highway exits, and yeah. Anyways, we're gonna try all of the regular driving, the not so regular driving, a little bit more of the sporty driving. Don't mind the interior, guys. The interior panel is out, and Mek is doing some work on it on the T6. So we also got a bunch of other parts from Elevate to install on the T6, which is going to become a project very similar to my XC70 T6, just a rocket sleeper in the end. So a lot of things coming up for those two beautiful engines from Volvo. So let's get back in the car. I'll throw you guys onto the tripod, the POV pod actually, and hopefully you guys enjoy how it looks, how it sounds. Not going to hear too much of the sound because it's on the highway, but you guys will enjoy how it looks and how it drives.